Audi unveils Urbansphere, a luxury self-driving EV designed for mega city dwellers so they can enjoy their ride in a crowded city with style and comfort. Please enjoy.
Our strategy is to build the most attractive and progressive cars in every segment. And this was also our challenge on the Urbansphere. I think the result is quite stunning now. It will be very exciting to see how this car is received from the public. We were able to create a quite sleek profile for this car, which is typical Audi. And then, of course, we did lots of elements which also are clearly Audi and which emphasize these proportions. For example, we have this aluminum bar, this aluminum application on top of the glass house, which runs into the spoiler. It makes the car even more sleek and visually lower than it physically is. We have huge wheels, 24-inch wheels, a long wheelbase, a short overhang on the front, a long one on the rear. And then, of course, some other details. For example, the color and trim. The first sketches already had this color and trim with this two-tone paint, and this was highly liked, and so we just put it into the show car. This was one design element. Another one was, for example, the front end. The customers asked for a face which is self-confident but non-aggressive. And I think we achieved it because the lights are quite high, the look is quite self-confident. Of course, we have our single frame in a new interpretation, so I think we did a face which perfectly fits to the requirements.
Let's have a look at the interior of the Urbansphere. Very special of the interior of the Urbansphere concept is that we designed this car consequent from inside to outside. My highlight of the Urbansphere concept is seating in the rear, the comfort and the flexibility. Special is in the rear seats because you have eye tracking modus where you can bring different programs on the functional screen on the rear of the seats. Also comfortable is the concierge. The concierge is a very interesting element for the customer. You can adjust this and we integrate it in the system of Audi.
It was clearly designed for the Chinese market in a collaboration with potential customers. And this was a quite interesting process for us, something very new, and I think also the design now of the car is quite striking.
hope you enjoyed what Audi has done. It's indeed a very beautiful car. There always a concept car, the Audi Urbansphere, initially was created for the traffic dense Chinese mega cities, but it still can be used anywhere in the world. The idea is to create that space where there's really not such space in such a mega city with their congested traffic, so how this idea is to create a very beautiful, luxurious feeling and comfortable space for you right there. So even if you can't get to your destination on time, I bet you indeed you will enjoy every second that you spend in this vehicle EV that kind of looks like a minivan in terms of the space that it provides. So this is really good. So it's a self-driving car, and Audi says regarding the battery pack that it measures about 120 kilowatt hour, and it got some massive wheels that measures 24 inches. So it's a really cool car. We hope Audi get out actual production version of this Urbansphere out, and Audi is taking things in the right direction. An electric car and a self-driving car. I think that's the future. I don't know what you think, but please let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so content like this can get to you as fast as they arrive. Thank you very much for stopping by. This is Enitech. See you.